In this video, we will learn how to change the username in Discord. Let's get started. Here I am on Discord. If you don't have an account, go to the Discord website and create one. To change the username, go to the user settings, and then my account. Here you can see a display with all my account information, like display name, username, email, and phone number. Click on the Edit button in front of the username to change your username. Now you will have the option to change the username by entering the new username, whatever you want. And existing password. You must remember your existing password. This is almost done after clicking on Done. Confirm you are not a robot. You can also change the display name by clicking here like this. This is also done. Now just save these changes. You can add your pronounces, avatar, banner color, and about yourself. If you want to add a profile banner and avatar animation functionality, you can get a Nitro Premium version. This was the simple way to change the username of Discord. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.